description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. Got a custom drying hydraulic roller. Got the new Holley manifold. Nice piece. Quick Fuel SS650 MSD Pro Billet. Got the Mark alternator system on it. Make sure it charges for you. Reverse sump oil pan. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 395 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 420. Peaks horsepower 487. So the front end's about 15, so everything's good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.